Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P2653 indicates a low voltage condition in the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is a crucial component in regulating oil flow within the engine. Specifically, it controls the variable valve timing, or VVT, which optimizes engine performance and efficiency. Located typically near the engine's cylinder head, this solenoid is activated by the powertrain control module, PCM, and must function correctly for effective engine performance. In a 2017 to 2023 Honda Accord, encountering this DTC often points to an issue that could affect both engine operation and fuel efficiency, necessitating immediate troubleshooting to restore proper function. The P2653 code specifically highlights an issue within the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, where a low voltage condition is detected. The rocker arm oil control solenoid aids in the vehicle's variable valve timing, which is crucial for improving the efficiency and responsiveness of the engine. It is typically positioned near the cylinder head, which is integral to the engine's operational dynamics. The solenoid receives electrical signals from the PCM to either open or close, thus controlling the oil flow to the rocker arms. If this circuit is compromised, it may lead to suboptimal valve timing, resulting in poor engine performance or increased emissions. Recognizing this code allows technicians to determine the exact functioning of related components, an essential step in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's engine. Several potential causes may trigger DTC P2653, primarily revolving around the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. The most immediate issue could be a low voltage condition within the circuit, which can stem from electrical failures or poor connections. Another critical factor is the possibility of a faulty rocker arm solenoid itself, which might not be able to actuate effectively under normal conditions. Wiring issues may also contribute to the error. For instance, frayed or shorted wires can impede the electrical current essential for solenoid operation. Lastly, attention must be paid to the connectors and terminals related to the solenoid and PCM, as these can also suffer from degradation or corrosion, obstructing efficient signal transmission. Thorough investigation of these areas is essential to rectify the problem. When DTC P2653 is present, several symptoms may manifest within the vehicle's performance. One of the most immediate signs is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, warning the driver of an underlying issue. Alongside this, the vehicle may exhibit reduced engine performance, which could result from improper valve timing. Drivers might also notice an erratic engine idle, characterized by fluctuations in the engine's RPMs while at a stop. In some cases, the vehicle may stumble or hesitate upon acceleration due to the effects of variable valve timing not functioning as it should. These symptoms indicate that prompt diagnostic and repair interventions are necessary to restore optimal performance and prevent further complications. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P2653 begins with turning the vehicle to the on mode. This step is necessary to power the vehicle's electrical systems and allow for the diagnostic tool, Honda Diagnostic System HDS, to communicate effectively with the vehicle's onboard computer. After engaging the on mode, technicians should clear the DTC using the HDS. Clearing this code resets the system, which is crucial in determining whether the issue persists post-reset. Subsequently, the technician must switch the vehicle to off, lock mode, before starting the engine again. Once the engine runs, it is imperative to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs once more using the HDS. If DTC P2653 reappears, it confirms that the problem still exists, prompting further troubleshooting. Should it not be present, The issue may be intermittent, warranting a check of connections at the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the PCM. In the second troubleshooting step, the technician must first turn the vehicle to the off, lock mode, ensuring all electrical systems are inactive to safely perform the next steps. After shutting down the vehicle, the next course of action involves disconnecting the rocker arm oil control solenoid 2P connector. This disconnection is crucial as it allows for direct measurement of the solenoid's electrical resistance without interference. The technician then needs to measure the resistance between test points 1 and 2, utilizing a multimeter. These test points correspond to specific male terminals on the solenoid side of the connector. It is essential to check that the resistance falls within the range of 13.9 to 16.9 ohms at room temperature. If the readings are accurate, it indicates that the solenoid is functioning correctly and the troubleshooting can proceed further. Conversely, should the resistance fall outside this range, it signifies a defect in the rocker arm oil control valve, necessitating its replacement to resolve the code issue. The troubleshooting step 3 involves a more in-depth examination of the electrical connections related to the rocker arm oil control solenoid. Initially, the technician should jump the SCS line using the HDS to prepare for continuity testing, allowing the system to identify potential issues within the wiring. After this procedure, the technician must disconnect the PCM connector E, which typically houses the ADP terminals. This disconnection is vital in isolating the PCM from the solenoid circuit for accurate testing. The technician should then check for continuity between specific test points, namely from PCM connector E pin 65 to the body ground. Establishing continuity confirms that there is no short circuit in the VTS2 wiring between the PCM and the rocker arm oil control solenoid. If continuity is present, it suggests that a short is affecting the wire, necessitating repairs. If continuity is not found, it indicates that the VTS2 wire is functioning properly, prompting a review for potential service bulletins or even substitution with a known good PCM. To move forward with resolving DTC P2653, after all necessary repairs are conducted, it is vital to conduct a final repair verification to ensure the issue has been successfully resolved. This involves rechecking the entire system's functionality to confirm that the rocker arm oil control solenoid operates according to specifications. The technician should utilize the HDS to verify that no pending or confirmed DTCs are present following the repairs. This step is crucial, as it validates that the previous electrical faults have been addressed and rectified. Additionally, it is essential to ensure that all components related to the solenoid and PCM were securely reconnected during the troubleshooting process. This final check not only enhances confidence in the repair, but also reinstates optimal engine performance, ensuring that the vehicle returns to dependable operation. Implementing preventive maintenance measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P2653 in the future. Regular inspection of wiring connections is vital to ensure that they remain free of corrosion and damage, which can lead to electrical failures. Technicians should routinely check the performance of the rocker arm oil control solenoid, verifying that it operates within the specified resistance range. Furthermore, maintaining proper oil and coolant fluid levels is crucial, as insufficient lubrication can cause premature wear of the solenoid and other engine components, potentially leading to similar DTC codes. By engaging in these preventive practices, vehicle owners can extend the lifespan of their engine components and significantly mitigate risks of performance issues related to variable valve timing. In conclusion, DTC P2653 represents a low-voltage condition within the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, a critical component for efficient engine performance in the Honda Accord 2017 to 2023. Understanding the implications of this error code underscores the necessity for thorough troubleshooting to identify the root cause, whether it be a faulty solenoid, wiring issues, or poor connections. Emphasizing symptom recognition, preventive maintenance, and final repair verification is essential in ensuring proper vehicle operation and reliability. By following the outlined diagnostic steps methodically, technicians can effectively resolve the issues related to DTC P2653, allowing the vehicle to perform optimally while extending the lifespan of integral engine components. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.